Hey, what's up everybody? I'm going to be showing you how to use the Angular Material icons today. And we're just going to be going through the basics, like how to make an icon show up and where you can use it and what are the available icons. So, this first example that they have on their site is just matte icon with home inside of it. We're going to try and get that working on our own blank site. So I'm going to paste that into the HTML for the site. It's just matte icon. And then inside of our module, we need to make sure we have the browser animations module imported. That's useful for most all apps, so be sure to do that. As well as we need to import the matte icon module. There's one other step we need to do before this will work, and that's go to the Angular Material homepage, click Get Started, and we need to find the link which has the font style sheet. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste it back on the site inside of my index.html somewhere in the head tag. Alright, so now it has that font loaded for Angular Material, and we should see our website loaded with that home icon, and there it is. Alright, so the available icons you have are listed at material.io/icons, and they just have this big list of things which you can search. So if I search for arrow, there's a play arrow, there's keyboard arrows. So I'm going to show you how to use one with spaces in it, because you don't type the spaces in your HTML, you use underscores. So this one is keyboard arrow left. So if we wanted that one in our app, what we would do is type keyboard underscore arrow underscore left. And then if we refresh our page, we'll see it change to the keyboard arrow left. And yeah, so you can use any of these, just separate the name by underscore. If you want your icon to be a button, you have to wrap it inside of the button directive, like so. So you do matte icon button. So we'll copy this example, and then the matte icon goes inside of it. Also guys, with the icons you can change their color just using the standard theming phrases, warn, primary, and accent. So these are both set to the warning color, and then the second one has a matte icon in it with favorite. And we don't need this area label. Alright, so there they are. They're both red because red is the warning color, and then the second one is a button, whereas this first one is just an icon, a font. So if you want to change the size of one of the icons, you'll notice that actually just changing the font size will change the size of the icon. So I'll get this one a font size of 18px, and I'll increase it using the arrow keys. So yeah, that's the way you change the size. You'll just give it a style in the CSS, so we can do that to our site just to show you. So I'll grab all matte icon tags, and I'll increase their font size to 86px, and then when we go back they're both 86px. This one has a bit of an issue because it's inside of a button, so the effect is kind of weird. So if it's inside of a button, you'll probably want to change the button size. So I'm going to change the width to 86px as well, and I'm going to change the height as well. Alright, so that looks better. It is a little offset, but we can just fix that by giving the button a display of flex, and then it will fit. Yeah, so if it's a button, you'll need to change some other things other than just the font size, but if it's just a display icon, then you can just change the font size. Alright, so that ends the tutorial. Let me know if you guys like this video in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.